and welcome to Vlogmas Business Edition. My name's Anita. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible through video marketing and social media strategy. I wanted to go ahead and record this video and tell you that I'm going to be participating in Vlogmas. What's Vlogmas? Well, it's an opportunity where creators here on YouTube simply come and share content through the month of December, kind of like a Christmas meets vlogging opportunity. And I wanted to participate because I think this would be a great time to really provide some valuable information for you if you have a business or you're starting a business, because December is a really awesome time to think about what your goals are. Now, today's December 1st, and one of the things I'm reflecting on is what this month is really going to look like, and what last month looked like. And I think these are important questions that we ask ourselves. You know, what worked last month? What didn't? How can I improve it? And then what would I like to achieve in December? I think taking the time to really review at the end or beginning of each month kind of what worked and what didn't and how you can improve. You can set small intentions to move your business forward. Now, here's what I'll tell you. As a business owner, I have learned that it's not just my business that I need to think about when I'm doing this, but also my life. How can I be a better wife, a better mother, and do all of the things that I really feel called to do in the best way possible so that I can be the best version of myself? Because here's the deal. If you are the CEO of your business is never going to outgrow you, meaning you do have to work on you. For a while, you can absolutely hustle your way, but eventually you will find that the things that limit you in your business are your own personal limits. And so today, the little thought I want to give you is if you have not yet really looked back at November and figured out what worked, what didn't, then I want to encourage you to do so. And then set some intentions in December. I'd love in the comments if you would share with me what it is that you come up with so I could cheer you on for the things that you're moving forward on. And if you get stuck and you have any questions, feel free to drop those below and I will absolutely be responding to the comments. All right, thanks so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed and you like vlog-like content related to business, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.